How to trim audio clips in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer and launch the project where your audio file is located, or import a new audio file if you haven't already. Next, drag your audio clip onto the timeline if it's not already placed there. Once your clip is on the timeline, you can start trimming it. To trim, go to the Edit Audio section under Editing Tools. From the drop-down, select the Trim option. Here you will see the Mode option where you can choose either keep selected part or remove selected part. Below this, you will find the Mark In and Mark Out options with time indicators. From the timeline editor, select the part you want to keep or remove based on the mode you have chosen. You can also play the selected clip and zoom in or out for more precise trimming. After that, click on Apply and you will have successfully trimmed your clip. Finally, play back your audio to review the edits and make sure everything sounds exactly how you want. You can always undo or adjust your trims if needed. Now you know how to trim audio clips in AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.